Dear viewer, welcome to Aviation Info, your #1 African aviation YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into how modern planes survive lightning strikes, bird strikes, and turbulence. From high-tech materials to smart engineering, discover the amazing ways aircraft keep us safe in the skies. Modern aircraft are engineering marvels, designed to endure extreme conditions and keep passengers safe. While flying might seem risky, commercial aeroplanes are built to handle many dangers, especially lightning strikes, bird impact, and turbulence. These events are common in aviation, yet accidents from them are rare thanks to advanced design, materials, and safety systems. Planes are struck by lightning more often than most people realize, on average once every 1,000 flight hours. However, it's extremely rare for lightning to cause damage or pose a threat to passengers. That's because modern aircraft are designed with lightning protection in mind. Most airliners have an aluminum skin or are coated with conductive mesh that allows the electric charge to travel safely along the exterior and exit from another point, usually a wingtip or tail. This protects the vital systems inside the aircraft. Sensitive electronics are shielded and fuel tanks are grounded to prevent sparks. Engineers also perform extensive lightning strike testing during an aircraft certification process. Pilots are trained to handle such events, and aircraft systems are designed to continue functioning even after a direct hit. Bird strikes typically occur during takeoff or landing, when planes are flying at lower altitudes. Although birds can cause damage, commercial planes are tested to withstand these events. Engines, for example, undergo bird ingestion tests, where they are deliberately exposed to bird carcasses during certification to ensure they can either keep functioning or safely shut down. Most bird strikes don't result in accidents, but if an engine is affected, like in the famous case of US Airways Flight 1549, which landed safely on the Hudson River after a bird strike disabled both engines, pilots are trained to respond quickly. Aircraft are built with strong windshields and reinforced fuselages in critical areas to prevent birds from penetrating the cabin or cockpit. The Indian embuscades use bird detection systems, habitat management, and sometimes even trained falcons or noise devices to scare birds away from runways. Turbulence is the bumpy or shaking motion caused by irregular air movements and is the most common discomfort passengers experience. Fortunately, airplanes are designed to flit and bend without breaking. The wings, for instance, can move up and down dramatically in turbulence without suffering structural damage. Modern aircraft also include turbulence detection technology, and pilots are informed by air traffic control or other aircraft about rough air ahead. While turbulence might feel dangerous, it's rarely a safety issue. The main risk comes from unbuckled passengers or loose items. That's why seat belt signs are taken seriously. Advanced autopilot systems can adjust the plane's position to better handle turbulence, and pilots may change altitude to find smoother air. Thanks to years of rigorous engineering and safety protocols, airplanes are well equipped to handle some of the most common in-flight hazards. Whether it's a bolt of lightning, a bird strike, or unexpected turbulence, these events are taken seriously by manufacturers and flight crews alike. As a result, air travel remains one of the safest modes of transportation in the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning how planes handle lightning, bird strikes, and turbulence, hit like and subscribe to Aviation Info for more amazing flight facts. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.